today we are going to continue making these pens. This part of the class we are turning the actual barrel. So if you want to see how I do that, I'm going to use a skew, and we're going to go kind of slow and give you lots of detail on it. But as you can see, these pens, this one's gunmetal with the silver on it. This one is black and gold. There's another gunmetal with silver, and this one is black with silver. And you can see they're all spalted hickory that I got from a friend's yard. And so we're going to turn this barrel in this class today. Alright, let's see if we can turn this up. Alright, so they're already round. As you can see it, I'm using the lower end of my skew, just coming across here. They're a little bit out of balance, but that's just from drilling. They were previously round, so I'm not really knocking off any edges. I'm at 1100, going to 1600. 1600 sounded better. That's the other thing about using the skew, is you just take off a little bit at a time and it gets a really nice cut. We got some spalted hickory here we're working with. You can see I'm anchoring it, beveling it, cutting it. And I can go faster, and I think I can sharpen my skews, so let's do two of those things. Alright, well I put a pretty good edge on my skew. You can see that, so we'll get her going. There's a little worm in that one. Cool. Okay, we'll try and get rid of that, I guess. Looks good. Alright, I think I'm going to make this pen go this way and that pen go that way. Yep, that's going to be cool. So I'm going to angle it down and then angle it a little bit shorter back. And so it's kind of a, I wouldn't really even say arrowhead, but kind of a pointed. Now one thing I'm always tempted to do with pens, and when I get done I regret it, is this is nice and thick. Ooh, that'd be nice to have it nice and thick. But no, you don't want them thick. You want to make them narrower. Yeah, I just hit that. That is exactly done. This is way too thick. That's a rookie mistake. You see people make slim lines where they're just bulbous and they come down to a tiny little bead and then they come back up bulbous to a, you know, the band in the middle. It's like, nah, don't do that. Today on our advanced pen turning class, we are turning this whole thing down with a skew. And I'm getting very close. I have a few bumps in it. I've got my skew and I'm running it on the lower angle here. I've got my lathe turned up. We're at 2150 RPMs and I'm just taking this. We're just taking small shavings off that and just gonna blend it right in. We've got some spalted hickory and that's actually looking pretty cool the way I just did that. Right down the way I want it. Now I can just sand it right back up, so let's do this one a little bit. There we go. I'm just sneaking up on the shape. This one is a little bit more distinctive. This one's a little bit longer. I have one tiny little ridge right here, so I'm going to use the skew as a scraper. I call that a negative rake scraper, and that just worked awesome. So now we are going to sand it right up. I've got this set of sandpaper, 180 grit, 240, 320, 400, 500 grit, all the way across there. This is a Mirka sandpaper, works great. I'll slow it down to sand it, and I won't spend a ton of time on sanding.